Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. Here I have a pair of Diadora sneakers that I had to buy via Amazon. So before even checking out the sneakers, I have some sort of complaints and a lot of talking to do. My foreplay as usual. So I like Diadora in general. In the 90s, my big crush, her name was Isadora. So I bought a pair of Diadora shoes just for that reason. And people might see, or at least people my age, see Diadora as a football sneaker. But they were very early with basketball sneakers. They are even earlier than Air Jordan 1. They are as early as the airships. And they look, all these old basketball shoes, like the airship and the Air Jordan 1, they sort of look the same. And I like that silhouette, I like that look. And a sneaker YouTuber have been posted a bunch of videos about Diadora basketball sneakers. They're called Diadora Heritage Me Basket Used. And Heritage because they look the same, like from 1984. Me stands for Milan, not we say in Swedish Milano, not my. So me for Milan. And basket is a basketball shoes since 1984 and used because they have that worn look, the patina look or used look. And I don't like that. So that's the number one thing. But they seem to have really good leather. It's just that I don't get it because the YouTuber says that if they're from Portugal, they have still better leather than your Air Jordan 1. And they cost about 250 euro. But if they are made in Italy with Italian leather, they cost 350 euro. But the main reason why I don't have a pair is because their website is crap. You can't order from them. At least not the basketball shoes. I've tried several times for several months. I've sent them emails, I've sent them videos, I've sent them pictures. I can't order. I can choose the size, but that's it. I can't see prices. I don't have a basket. I don't see if I'm logged in. I don't see nothing. The website doesn't work. At least not for shopping. And I wanted to buy, they have white and maroon, white and blue, navy blue, white and pink, white and tan. They have a bunch of shoes that I want to buy and try and see and find out if I get Portugal made or Italian made. So the only pair of shoes, I still like the look of these, as I've seen from the pictures. The only pair of shoes that I got was from Amazon. And the box looks used, but they were shipped like in paper bag. So let's see how the shoes are and how they fit. They are supposed to be true to size, fit like your Air Jordan 1, but I see already that I've used, alright, so US 12 is a European 46. Should work. Smaller box than I expected for a pair of 46s, and the shoes look really small. They do look really small. Do I have the right size? But what I like about these is that they don't look as used and old as the other ones in leather. Some of the colors in leather, I think the one with the pink swoosh, the sole on those were like brown. But these look to have the same color on the leather, the suede, which is also leather, and the sole. So the look of it I like. Soft and nice, yeah, they're probably going to be comfortable. I'm just a bit worried that they look so very, very small. I was thinking of getting a pair of 47 because I usually think that 46s are too small, but they are 46 and they look really small. Let's take a pair of Air Jordan 1 just to compare with something. So length is the same. The sole is more narrow. Well, let's see if they fit. So about the quality, soft, nice suede will probably break in really nice. Yeah, soft. I'm mostly curious about the leather shoes because with these, since they look used, I was sort of, okay, I can wear them anytime because I usually only wear leather shoes because I wash my cars every day. But these, if they would look more used, I would think that, okay, I can wear them even if I'm going to wash the car or even if it rains. But they look better. They look too good to use in those conditions. Soft, nice, and if I have understood correctly, the shoes from Portugal are thinner, has not as good quality leather. So I'm guessing that these are Portugal shoes. Made in, it doesn't say anything at all. But I'm really curious. I want the leather ones. I want to buy from them. I've sent them, Diadora, I've sent you several mails. You should ship me some shoes so I can do some videos about them. They look really narrow. I'm a bit afraid that they will be too narrow, but I will try them. But I can't see anything at all about where they are made. The other videos they have said made in Italy or made in Portugal. And yeah, okay, made in Portugal. So I want the Italian made ones. I want the luxury leather, Italian leather. The Italian leather Air Jordan 1. I want those. And I don't want a used look. I want them to look new. So give me something like that. But now to the most important thing. Let's try them on. I usually don't untie new shoes, but since these look so narrow, I will do that. I like the flat wide laces. Good quality of the laces. I think if they fit me, I think I'm really going to like them. I think they will be comfortable. And once again, I want to buy several of the leather shoes. And I want the Italian made ones, the expensive ones. Because I like the look of it, look of them. Looks like your Air Jordan 1, more or less. But they were before Air Jordan 1. Oh, they're going to be so narrow. All right. That works. All right. A bit narrow, but it works. So I would say that they are true to size compared to Air Jordan 1. but narrow. But that is the design of them, like your what are they called? Not the Converse ones, but there are other older basketball shoes that have the old cut, true 85 cut, as we call them in Air Jordan language, that are more narrow to get it on and off. But yeah, I like them. A bit narrow. That will. I'm as said. I usually go between US 12 and 12 and a half, which is European 46, European 47, because I have a wide feet. So I will still say that they are true to size, and I do like them. I can feel that there are no air sole in them, of course, because Nike were first with that. So they are not as comfortable in the dampening, but in the material, in the suede, in the leather, they are comfortable. Yeah, I like them. Absolutely, at least I'm going to try to get more of them. Diadora, help me out. I've contacted you several times. I can't order on your site. I want blue, maroon, maybe the pink. I want brand new ones, white ones. I want a bunch of them. I like them. For me, as an old man, they look a little bit more dressed up, a little bit more, dressed up, grown up. Old man sneakers, 1984. I do like them. And about them not being as comfortable in the dampening, you can put another sole or an extra sole in them because the sole is glue. No, you can remove it. So yeah, standard basic sole and nothing in there, no dampening. But still, I want more of them, and I want the expensive ones. I want the Italian made ones with the Italian leather. Help me out. Thanks for watching. Comment, do you have any pair of Diadoras? Let me know. Used an update. I've worn them now for a couple of hours and they are not narrow anymore. And I do like that they do look more narrow, less of a clown shoe, more adult, slimmer. And since I have sort of big feet, I do like this. But the material, because it's so soft, so the minor thing that felt narrow before, it doesn't do that anymore. So true to size, good to go.